Okay, our video. What's happening?
Hello, mateys. Hi, mateys. We are the captain of this rink, and look at the sea down there. And oh man, look at all that sea urchin. Now look at us. Whoa! If your family watching this video, that means they don't know about pirates. Huh? And know what? That mountain there, that's the home to all kind of birdies. And my bird is dead right now. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Okay. There's flies up.
Calamity, look up there. Then the sun is in your... There you go.
Yeah. And know what? And we are lovers. We love... Sing the song.
What song? What song? Fly just walked across the land. We're doing a video right now. Here, Gingy. You're part of our video too now.
Anacapa. That is Chumash for...
No water? Bird crap?
Ships running aground.
Anacapas. Shumash for bird guano.
Turn it back. Sorry, you had to see that fly.
What?
Sorry, you had to see that fly.
She just said, sorry you have to see that fly. Yeah, it was ugly. It was an ugly fly. I'm sorry you had to see that too.
And this is my meeting.
Arg.
And now what? She doesn't talk much.
Arg.
They were flying.
Oh, bring the flag down. All right.